Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change phone number in BeReal app. So let's get started. At first let's get into the app. So here it is. Now in the top right corner click on this profile icon over here and click on this three dots icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on help. Now click on contact us. Now click on report a problem and click on the guide. Now here we need to click on everything else over here, and here we can see transfer my account to a new phone number. So let's tap on this. Here we can see what are the needed things to change the phone number. We need to enter our previous phone number including country code, new phone number including country code, our username and date of birth. We need to write all of this information. So let's get back and click on contact us. Now enter the topic. So tap on move my account to new phone number. Now enter all the data required that is said before over here, and you can attach the screenshots or your documents over here as well, and simply click on send. Once you have done that, your problem will be reported and your phone number will be changed. So this is it. This is how you can change your phone number in BeReal app. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.